everybody. Like I said before, I'm going to be hanging out with the Camo Korean, so keep your eye out for him. And well, here we are. We're out here and we're throwing a line and we're going to try to catch some fish. What's going on, my man?
What's up, guys?
You ready to get into this?
Hopefully, get on some fish, different species, and just see what else nature's got coming for us.
Yeah, absolutely. And this here's my new buddy Paps.
Pop's best reel out here, getting it in with Jay and Corey, and just trying to catch some bass.
Hell yeah. All right, we got this, man. I'm looking forward to getting in here. How long you reckon we'll be out here today?
We'll probably fish till maybe 8, 9.
I'm down. I love it. So excellent. I've got no place else to be today, so we'll fill this day up with all kinds of adventure. All right, let's see what we can get into.
All right,
Let's get it on.
Beautiful. Cool breeze. Well, this water's pretty clear. I'm impressed. I've never been to this creek before, so I'm kind of excited and everything just to view. Right now, looks like it's sort of like a canal right now because it's running straight, but it will connect to a more wild river here shortly. Oh, look at my guy. Look at that. That's a good one. Excellent. Good job, dude. Would you catch him on?
brand new too. Second species, second fish off of this new lure.
Oh yeah, you did catch it. What was a little brimmer?
Yeah.
So.
This is what I love about using light tackle.
Yeah.
Is I'll catch some nice bass too, but I usually start it just to start out the day, so I can start getting on some fish, and then certain areas I'll switch up presentations and all that. But awesome bite on the light tackle, tiny lure too.
You guys might notice that I'm sporting a new pair of gloves. Got these out at iCast. The guys over at Rockfish hooked me up. Check that out. They hooked me up and said, here, check these out. And they showed me the high quality. This is good for kayaking and protects your hands and everything. I didn't know the guys that I got the gloves from last time, and nobody even talked to me at the booth, but I didn't know who that company was. But these guys, they liked my content, and they said, here, sport some of these gloves, and say, hey man, give these a go and see what you think. So far I really like them. They're high quality. They got stitching is, you know, really, they got double stitching along here, and it's just really nice. I like them. And good grip too. Good grip. And I need these gloves because I have problems with, you know, my skin around the my fingers, so I have to wear these things when I'm out paddling. And all right, cool. Rockfish fishing gloves. Yep, these things are tight. I like them. Excellent. So we're gonna give these a go and see how they perform. And I really appreciate those guys over at Rockfish. Thank you very much. The water here runs really clear. I'm loving it. You see all the way to the bottom. It's not like the Econ where it's always murky. The only time it gets really clear down there is late winter when the water's really low and there's nobody on the water. But this water's crystal, well, I wouldn't say crystal clear. It's still tannic a bit, but you can see all the way to the bottom. 5, 6 feet deep in some areas. This is definitely really cool. Ooh, the sun is really cooking today. But luckily, there is a lot of shade in this spot, so yeah. All right, fish on. All right. Yeah. Woo, yeah. There you go. I got me some. Oops. Look at that. All right, let me get that hook out of his face. Yeah, all right. So open up my bail here. Give me some line. Keep this guy nice and wet. Yeah, it's not a huge fish, but you know, it's something. Alright, man. Oh, and the hook is just on. Look at that, just on. And this is caught on a small 7-inch, I think it's 7-inch, Bitters red shad. Look at that. Hey, alright. Woohoo. Cool. I like that. I'm happy with that. Get a quick picture of it. And oops, focus in. Alright, let's get you back in the water. Here you go, buddy. Go ahead. Nice and gentle. That's awesome. That was cool. I knew the spot was going to be good. I traveled into this little cut over here. I saw a great big old bass. I spooked it, so there's pretty much no chance of me catching that one, but I'm going to keep trying. But the guys are way downriver there, and I'm probably going to need to catch up to them. But I'm going to throw my line a couple more times in this spot because that felt pretty good to catch one after all these weeks. Woo, yeah, that's awesome. Look at that. You do not, he hit my finger a little bit, but he hit my finger a little bit, but he didn't draw any blood. These guys got teeth. You gotta be real careful. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me get my fish pinchers out. Yeah. Come here, you. Very armored head. This is a bowfin. They got a very armored head, and come on now, open your mouth. He's like, no, chill, dude. Oh. He's beating me up. All right. They got teeth, and you don't ever want to put your finger in a bowfin's mouth. They got very sharp little piranha-like teeth. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Here. Okay, just so you know, I got him. Woohoo! Let's see. He's more than 2 feet long. No. He's not quite 2 feet. He's more like he's 21 inches. See those teeth in there? Look at that. All right, buddy, I'm gonna let you go. I'm sorry to hold you up. Wow, that was awesome. I can't believe it. I caught him, and he didn't even have the hook in his mouth. He fought a worm. Good old Bitters red shad. Here, let me show you what I'm using right now. This right here is the 7-inch red shad. That's exactly what I'm using from Bitters. I've been using their product for a while now, and I do catch a lot of fish on them. And they're a local company. I only have to drive right down the road to get them. I don't have to drive an hour to go to Bass Pro or anything like that. So let's try one more time. All right. Alright, that's enough. I'm gonna go catch up with the guys. I did catch a really nice fat old 21-inch bowfin.
You did?
Yeah, it put up a fight. It was awesome.
Alright, dang, I really wanted to catch one too.
Yeah,
I mean,
that little spot back there is really good. There's a lot of activity in there.
Yeah, I caught 3 or 4 bowfin out of there. Many bass.
Beautiful. And we got cypress swamps on each side, full of gum trees and oaks and palms, tons of these ferns and philodendrons. This water is really clear. You can see all the way to the bottom, and it's full of fish. This is a really nice little creek. Camo Korean up there, he's crushing it. Yeah, this is a really wild area.
This is your first time on Shingle Creek?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I've only driven past Shingle Creek a million times on the expressway.
Well, you know what it's like. And I enjoy it. I enjoy my solitude out here.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet, man. Do you ever come across big groups of kayakers?
One time there was like 12 people in kayaks, but
Okay.
they were all like tourists,
Okay.
all with rentals. But once we get further down near the middle school, the Hunter Street Middle School, we'll be going right across a bike trail, the East Pine Island Trail.
Yeah.
That's another thing you might want to check out. I've taken my bike. It's like a 4.5 mile course.
Mm-hmm.
And they got a really nice bike trail too. You got to be careful though, because you'll hurt yourself. Yeah, they got some like little bridges and ramps and all that. I seen one guy, he was going down a hill, and he went too fast and squeezed his front brake too hard, and he just went forward and just disappeared in the bushes. And his buddy's like, "Hey, ¿qué pasa?"
Nice. Oh, he's a good one. Yeah, all right. Nice, man. Nice. Chunky boy.
Told you I wanted to come down here. Yeah, that's
You
a nice
did good
chunk.
by doing that. Look at that. All right.
probably 2.5 pounds.
About yeah, beautiful fish. Good job, man. Nice. What, 18 inches?
I'd say 17.
All right. You're just too modest, my man.
Got the corner around here.
Awesome.
Yeah, 17, almost 17 and a half.
All right, look at you.
I'm guessing 2.5.
Oh, no.
Jeez. Hey, we got 2.5 pounds.
All right, 2.7.
All right, do a release here.
Pretty good guesser at that.
All right.
Carnival. All right, buddy. Sorry to hold you up.
All right.
Yeah, man. Good job. You knew you wanted to come down this creek for something. See, it's the Camo Korean's intuition that gets him those big old lunkers. Ooh, let's do that again. This one's bigger?
Yeah, this one's bigger.
Oh man. Woo! Yeah, hold it up. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. Oh
This is
man.
probably 4 pounds.
This guy knows his fish. Oh man, good job. That is a crusher of a bait, man.
Yeah.
Slaying them. You weren't wrong. You weren't wrong. I told you guys. This guy, he can catch it.
Yeah. So this one I say probably 4.5 pounds. Probably 20 inches too. $3.11.
That's pretty close.
Yeah, close to 4 pounds. So it'll probably be 20 inches, 19, 20 inches. Yeah, 19 inch. Right.
I'm telling you, man, my guy's crushing it. That was first one best today, isn't it?
Yeah, 3.11. Yeah. I saw some movement right there,
Yeah, I saw that, yeah.
and I thought it was a gar, but no, it was that fella.
Hey, Paps, did you catch anything?
Not yet.
Oh, wow.
The monkey off my back, bro.
Take my vest off. So not only am I sweating to death, it's really hot, but the creek is only a foot deep. So I took it off. I'm not in any danger. If I couldn't see the bottom, I would probably leave it on. No, this is good. This is all right.
God, that's all. No, last time I was.
So you got one, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a good one.
Probably like a little 2. Some change.
Collide with you.
Go ahead, man. I'm
Yeah, look at that. My boy Paps, he got one finally. Cool.
That's right. Some chains. They brought like 2 and some chains.
Yeah.
Nice little bull.
That's awesome.
Yeah. They only get bigger from here. That's usually what happens. Alright.
There you go, guy.
Thanks a lot, big fella, for hanging in there.
Ooh, there he goes. you got another fish. Awesome.
Oh, decent. Not too big, but oh yeah. Got him. Get him on board.
Yeah, cool, nice.
Oh, he's missing a lot of dorsal. I mean, he's top fin. You know what I mean? Look at that. Not bad.
No, it's me. There you go.
Right in there, baby.
Yeah.
Number
nice,
2.
Good job.
Hell yeah.
So we're getting down to the last mile or so of the creek here. You can hear the highway up here, and it's starting to get dim. The sun is going down, but today's been a pretty spectacular day. Lots of fish, new territory to explore. This was cool. So this here is the 417. It's a major artery through Central Florida here. It's an expressway, and I've gone over this overpass hundreds of times, and every time I go over it, I'm always looking over top of the guardrail down at this creek and wishing I can get into Shingle Creek. It's been a cool trip. Lots of good fishing in here. There's a lot of construction going on in these roads too, so that's why it looks the way it does with all these, you know, environmental barriers and, you know, crane over here and all this. So. But yeah, this is pretty much it for us. We're parked right over here. We shuttled today, so oh, I got some. Oh man, keep trying until we get back to the truck. But we shuttled today, so we parked his truck over here, left the Jeep back at his place, and so far it seems to be working pretty good. Shuttling is probably one of the best ways to go. This doesn't look safe at all. That looks so sketchy. Wow. So what'd you guys think?
Pretty good outing overall.
Yeah?
Yeah, just getting out here. Haven't been through the whole stretch in a while. It's been almost a whole year for me. So, yeah, it was good stuff. Ended up finishing with 17 fish of the day, 7 panfish and 10 bass. So, mainly used a combination of rooster tails and a swim bait and underspin combo. And how about you, Pat?
Caught a couple bass. I was fishing solely for bass. I didn't throw any underspins or rooster tails, but took a minute to get them.
Yeah.
Got them on the top and everything, so that was a good thing. Put them on the buzz bait. Got them late. Didn't get them early, but made it happen either way.
Right
So
on.
we're out here. We hit it all the way. It's been about 6-7 months since I've taken this whole journey. So
Thanks for asking me to come out here with y'all.
Yeah, no
This is
problem.
awesome. Yeah, good fishing in here. You're
Yeah,
gonna have to come out to my way next time.
I will definitely
Yeah,
have to check out the
absolutely, man,
econ.
too.
You down to check out the econ?
yeah, I do the little econ absolutely all day.
Yeah. So you don't get any of this on the econ. There's no traffic noise out there.
Yeah. That's the difference.
Huge difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the outing here. And Jungle Jay's editing, awesome editing. But yeah, again, I am the Camo Korean. You can check me out on YouTube and Instagram. I go by both. And other than that, you guys, tight lines, keep fishing.
Make sure you check out Camo Korean on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description to his channel. And I appreciate y'all very much. Thank you for watching. And like always, take care.